Here I have VIVO IQOO Z5X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also add a schedule for this mode. Here you can select like start time, end time of this schedule, and also days on which it will be active. You can set up default duration of this mode, and you can also adjust display options for notifications. For example, you can hide only sounds from notifications, or you can hide visuals and sounds from notifications, or you can customize it here for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.